everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this, the Smart Key Energy VL625 back UPS. I want to show it to you guys. This is what it looks like here. It's heavy. It's got a huge battery in it. But look at this. It's got all the ports on it here. It's got the ports for surge protector and battery and surge protected. And then I think these are just all battery protected. But it's got the LAN ports too. So that's what I want to use over there by my equipment over there so I can protect my, my LAN coming in as well. And then it has a USB-C port, a couple of USB ports, and I wonder if those are on the battery as well. I'm gonna have to check all that out here shortly and just give it a go. So very cool, so nice that it has all this stuff here, and you push the button on there, it looks like it's got the sine wave protection, and right now, so now it's on and running off a battery, and it's cool, I like it. It's very nice and sleek. There's really no way to mount it or anything like that necessarily to anything. There's no mounting ports, but the battery can be replaced, I guess, back there. But it's cool, I like this one. This is good. This is gonna be my new main UPS for all my networking equipment and everything. Thumbs up.